Hey guys, so I am going to show you how I am able to maintain moisture in the winter with this deep conditioner and Pre-Poo solution. I've been using it for quite some time now. I've got the recipe from Natural 85 and it works very well for me, so I hope it works well for you too. Enjoy the video. Here are the items we will need for the recipe. We have aloe vera plant, extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, and a bottle with an applicator tip. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut the aloe vera plant into 3 pieces. This is a pretty big aloe vera plant, so my 1/3 of a piece is pretty big, and so from there we are going to cut off the excess. So aloe vera contains enzymes that help repair dead skin cells in the scalp, as well as acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair feeling smooth and shiny. It also promotes hair growth and prevents itching and reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. So after I cut off the excess, I'm going to cut the pointy ends off each side of the plant. I want to cut it as close as possible to the end so that I don't waste any of the plant. And that's how the plant looks once I've cut off all the edges. Now I'm going to slice the plant in half. Once I do that, I expose the gel on the inside. Now I'm going to cut those into 3 pieces. I'm going to cut those as well. Now I'm going to take a spoon and scrape the inside of the plant into a blender. You want to get as much of the gel from inside the plant as possible. There's a lot of gel, so make sure you scrape as close to the plant as possible. Now I'm going to take my olive oil and put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the blender. So olive oil is a rich and moisturizing oil, and it's ideal for your hair, especially during the winter months. It promotes healthier, stronger, and shinier hair, which is something that we all could use during the dry winter months. Castor oil has a natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, and is high in vitamin E, minerals, proteins, and omega-6, as well as other nutrients. This makes castor oil very good at helping with hair growth. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Now I am going to take my jojoba oil and add 2 teaspoons. Jojoba oil promotes hair growth as well as protect your hair strands from breaking and drying up. So now that I put all the oils into the blender, I'm going to blend until everything is mixed very well. Excuse the pizza boxes in the back. That was before I changed my life. So after a few minutes of blending, I'm going to take my strainer, place it over a bowl, and pour the mixture through the strainer so that it catches the bigger particles that was not blendable. You may need to tap the strainer so that the oil can go through the holes. Just make sure you don't tap too hard because you don't want the bigger particles to go through the holes. Add the rest, and the mixture is kind of foamy, so that is what's being caught in the strainer. You don't want to get those bigger pieces of aloe vera stuck in your hair. So now that I've gotten all the bigger particles out of the mixture, I'm going to take that and pour it into a bottle with an applicator tip. And that's it. That's simple. I'm going to place the tip on top of the bottle, give it a little shake, and there you have it. I use this oil for my Pre-Poo. I usually put it on my hair a day before I decide to wash it, or I use it as a deep conditioner after I wash and clean my hair. This mixture can stay in the refrigerator for up to 4 to 5 days. If you like this video and would like to see how I apply this mixture to my hair, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video so that I know that you're interested in more hair routines, and I will make a video showing how I add this to my hair. Thanks for watching.